Hello, OFP Nation. It is Sunday, December 15th, 2024, and we are here for our weekly analysis. So, hello to those of you who are joining us live, and for those of you who are watching the replay, hi, welcome. Thanks for hanging out with us. My friend, are you there? Are you there? Are you there? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Good, good. Um, all right. So we are gonna go ahead. We're gonna dive in. We're gonna take a look. We're gonna see how the markets are looking on the pairs for our watch list that we typically look at. If you have any pairs that you want us to look at for you, please be sure to just let us know at the end of our analysis. We'd be happy to kind of review those for you and go from there. And also just shout us out. Let us know who you are and where you are from in the comments so that we can say hello back. Other than that, Barry, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm
Nick,
ready.
sorry.
Yeah. All right,
Take me
let's
a second.
begin.
All right, here we go.
Okay, so first things first, we're gonna look at dollar index instead. So dollar index for the past week, it's been going up. And well, we're still holding. We haven't really gone right above this level of 108. So I still believe there's still room for it to make some improvement and correct to the downside. So in this coming week, I do see us probably coming all the way down and making a new low, basically, which will be all the way down here. Apart from that, I do not see anything else that we can be doing. And now let's move forward to our usual watch list. So just need to change the account there. All right. So let's look at euro dollar. So euro dollar, we're still also in a downward movement. So it's the same scenario with dollar index. As you already know, euro dollar mimic each other like, I don't know, 80%, 90% of the time. So at this point, slight movement to the upside, which may actually break this downtrend that we recently had. So in this case, I'm also still looking to take out this previous high. So that's why we are still holding on euro dollar. Then let's also look at New Zealand. Euro New Zealand has actually recovered really well. We had a few pullbacks in between, but we pushed back and we're pushing up again. So this coming week, it seems like we will be aiming to also take out this previous high, which was at the end of October. So that's what we're anticipating on Euro New Zealand. Then pound dollar, we are also slightly mimicking euro dollar and dollar index. We had a push slightly to the downside. I'm hoping that we might actually bounce off this support level, then probably come all the way back up and make a new high above these three resistance levels. So that's my anticipation for next week on pound dollar. On gold has been erratic. It's literally the beginning of the week started off we were in a very strong uptrend, and we literally took out this previous high from where we came from, where we reversed from, come to the downside. Right now, it seems like we might be just in a temporary pullback, but we're yet to see. This could change over time. We can find that we are just actually going to be bearish going all the way into next year. So keep your eyes peeled for um, gold. And let's see if we do actually reverse at this exact price. And then come Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we actually breach this previous high and continue to make new highs and hit the take profit that we have initially put here at 2762. Then let's also look at pound yen. Pound yen seems to be in a consolidation for a bit. We had a spike to the downside, then we pushed all the way up. So we can literally see that there's still upward strength on pound yen. So this coming week, we look to actually take out the previous week's high. That is my anticipation, since we already had this very strong wick to the upside, a very good rejection from the support level. So that's what I'm anticipating on pound yen. Then US 30, we are going down nicely, which is great. We broke a trend line, we broke support, and we entered into a sell. And our target is still all the way down here. So let's see where this takes us. Then Ethereum, we're just still sideways. We haven't really made any much movement. So we're just still at the same place. And nothing else we could do there. Dollar Mexican, we're actually close to where we had to end the week at. But this coming week, I do suppose we will take out the lows of the previous week. So that's what I am anticipating on dollar Mexican. Afterwards, who knows? We might actually push further, further down to where we first entered our first entry at 1978. Then from there, we might act all the way to our main target of 1874. Right. Now let's also look at New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD, we were in a free fall and we're currently consolidating. So till we get consolidation, it's gonna either be to the downside or to the upside. So that's my anticipation on New Zealand CAD. Nothing much this one. And then oil. Oil seems to be disappointing us at this point. But again, we cannot call it quits just right here, as we have been bouncing, going up. We bounced over here, then we came all the way down, bounced over here, came all the way up, bounced from here, which wasn't even the very top. Then we came all the way down, bounced from here, and we seem to be all the way up here. So if we bounce from this same level, I do actually think that we may be coming to the downside afterwards, then maybe taking our take profit finally. Yeah. So let's look at the other pairs that we are not actually in. So dollar yen, it's actually great. We actually hit our take profit on Friday, which is great. So for now, we will just be looking to see if we can re-enter into dollar yen. If there will be an opportunity, we're yet to see. But as of now, we have nothing to do with dollar yen. Then let's look at CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss, we have broken the trend line, which is great, but we need to actually break this resistance level, which is all the way up here. So till that is done, we are doing nothing on CAD Swiss till we break this resistance level. Then we can be looking to go all the way up, and our target will definitely be here, because this is just like an outright good pin bar, and this is where the market dropped immediately after this pin bar was created. Right, let's now move to NAS 100. NAS 100. So NAS 100, we have been pushing all the way up. We haven't really had any break of the trend line. So we're still watching this space. Let's see what the market gives us in this coming week. We'll definitely revisit this on Wednesday and see what we get from the move here on NAS 100. Let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin seems to be looking to make a new high over the previous high, which is very much possible. But like I said, we might actually even be going to 135,000. I told everyone to watch that level. So let me even actually mark this over 135,000. Yeah, this seems to be a level we might actually be coming to on Bitcoin. So just keep an eye watch on that. I really think Bitcoin can reach 135,000 from there. Then maybe we will be going to the downside. But yeah, we are yet to see what happens next. And then let's look at. Oh, I think we've actually covered everything. We covered NAS 100, US $30 index, Bitcoin, Ethereum, oil, pound, dollar, and the rest of the pairs, all in under 10 minutes. Yeah, so yeah, I believe that is all for our analysis this week, which was quite a fast for this week, surprisingly. I think because everything just seems to be moving quite well and there isn't much craziness happening in the world. Just waiting to see what happens when Donald Trump is finally in the White House by January. Yeah. So, yeah, that's it for our analysis today. Unless any one of you have questions. Right. Yes, Soria, how
What's
you
up?
doing?
How am I doing? I'm doing all
Yeah,
right. How you doing,
I'm
Nick?
doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm just surprised we have
Finished
swished
early.
through all of this in 10 minutes. And
Yeah,
I
that
thought I missed a pair, but I've actually gone through every single one of them.
yeah, that
Yeah.
was pretty quick. I'm quite surprised. Uh
I don't know. Maybe we should be on Bloomberg, like the 10 minutes recap of the markets. That would be cool. That would be cool. Yeah.
I was just gonna
So,
say that there's still time to get up to 60% off.
oh,
All
still
of our
the end of
instant
December, eh?
yeah, January 5th is the last day. Uh be sure to head over to our website, ofpfunding.com, to check out the different options, the different prices that we have. Our 100K with an 80% profit split, 5% daily drawdown is looking at about $400, which is absolutely increíble, absolutely incredible. So you can get instantly funded for the same, if not cheaper than what you would pay for a challenge. So I say go for it. So just wanted to remind you guys. But Barry, Nick,
Yeah.
Barry Nick. I guess we're all done, huh?
Yeah, we're done here. Thank you, everyone. We definitely shall be seeing you all on Wednesday. Yeah.
Yes, we'll be back on Wednesday. And of course, if you are available tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. EST or 7:30 p.m. CET, we will be live for our Forex Focus Live. So be sure to join us. Join us then. Other than that, we will see you guys on Wednesday with our midweek analysis. And thanks so much for tuning in.